I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. So gone. Yeah, I said I'm gone. You ain't ever gonna catch me, baby. You can just keep running on and on.
Derek B. on Written Axes here. Going to do a quick unboxing video. I needed to get a new everyday carry. Was considering a couple of different options, but what I ultimately wound up going with was the Sig Sauer P320. This is the new military gun, standard military gun. No disrespect to all those Glock fans out there. I do like Glocks. I fired a couple of different Glocks and I really like them, but I wound up going with the Sig P320 instead of the Glock 19. Once you open up the box, let's see what we have here. We've got a congratulations on your purchase. We've Sig Sauer when it counts, some NRA data and a registration card, very important. And we've got the user's manual and also another, what looks to be like a registration card. Some different information on Sig. We've got a spare magazine. This particular model is the carry model. It comes in a few different models. You have the full model, the carry model, the compact, and the subcompact. I wound up going with the carry model because of my size and frame. I could still conceal it, and I think this holds 17 rounds, so it's 17 plus 1 magazine. Got the lock, safety lock of course, and most importantly, the firearm itself. It did come with a holster, outside the waist holster. There you go. It's supposed to safety lock out. Check it. It is clear. And the magazine that was inside of the firearm. One of the other reasons I decided to go with this particular model is it's very modular. I guess very similar to the Glock. They kind of have a similar business model, if you will. Glock, you're going to buy a base model and pretty much tweak it out how you want it. You can upgrade the trigger, upgrade the sights, upgrade the frame if you want to. This one is very similar, but changing out the grip model for this, you can even change out the caliber, is incredibly simple. Basically, the chassis on the inside of this, and I'm not sure that you can see this or not, is the only serial part of the gun. And taking it out just requires that you pull this pin completely out, slide the slide forward, remove the slide, and then very kind of gently wiggle it back and forth, and the chassis will just pop out. I actually ordered an FDE grip model for this. That should be arriving here in a month or so. So I'm going to swap this out for an FDE. Also, this was the 9mm. This particular one can be either 357, 9mm, or 40. And again, if you wanted to go with a different caliber like the 40, which I think I will do, it's just a matter of getting the grip, slide, and barrel, but you can still use the same chassis. And you don't need to go through an FFL for that. They'll basically ship it right to your door. Just pop this guy out, again, remove the slide, pull your chassis out, and then slide your chassis down into either your 357 or 40 grip and slide, and you've got a brand new caliber handgun with just replacing the chassis. Very much looking forward to shooting this. Going to shoot this for the first time today. Hopefully we can put that in the video. I am going to do a quick swab of the barrel with a barrel snake. Again, when they ship these, there's a lot of extra oils on there for shipping, so I am going to clean this out. Again, very much looking forward to shooting this. Hopefully we'll have a video of that very soon.
Derek B. Armament and Axes here. It's the 4th of July. What better way to celebrate the 4th of July than a day at the range? A while back, I did an unboxing video of my Sig P320. It's actually been quite a while ago, and I'm just getting around to doing the shooting video. What can I tell you? No one's ever accused me of being overly motivated. I'm hoping that I can somewhat redeem myself from the horrible display from my Smith & Wesson SD40, so we'll see how it goes. Here's open. So. Couple of flyers, but a hell of a lot better than with the SD40. So maybe there's hope for me after all.
Doesn't look too bad to me.
Yeah. Again, keep in mind, I am the newbie. Only been at this a little over a year, so. Again, a couple of flyers, but definitely a little bit better with the Sig than I am with the Smith & Wesson. Need more practice with that one, so, you know.
All right, Chris B, Armament and Axes. I fired this once before and I really liked it, so we're going to give it a shot, see how good I can do with it, and just have fun. So. A couple flyers in there, but
Yeah, but you can definitely tell who's the veteran and who's the newbie for sure. So. Yeah, and your shot,
just too much fun.
your shot
really like
cadence
this.
was a little quicker than mine too.
By
So.
the look of the target, I can live with that.
Yeah, that definitely gets it done. So. Okay, all right. So maybe there's hope for me after all. Give it one more shot and see what happens. Still wasn't that tight.
Slow her down a little bit, see if you know, just sight pitch her a little more, that's all.
Yeah.
Take time, squeeze through it, you know.
Not awful, not bad, but not great. Still needs some work, but not terrible.
I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. So gone. Yeah, I said I'm gone. Ain't never gonna catch me, baby. You can just keep running.